How's it going there, YouTube? Well, we're at the machine shop, but we ain't working on real tractors tonight. Oh, no. I got a farm toy built for you guys tonight, and I'm kind of excited about it, to be honest with you, because I haven't done a farm toy video for you guys in quite a few years. But I think I've got something here you guys might like to see, and it's going to fit right in with everything else we're kind of doing out here. So check this out. Well, check that out. So it's an Oliver Hart-Parr 2844. Of course, that's the predecessor to the 99. Of course, the 99s were high compression. These are low compression, so these became the 90. Basically, when you get these from scale models, it is an older piece, it's a cast piece, but they come on steel wheels, of course. And I kind of got looking one day, and I have a W30 McCormick on round spoke wheels with rubber tires, right from Ertl. So I kind of got to thinking, hey, maybe I could put a set of those on my 2844, and I think it would actually look pretty sharp, because, well, you guys know me. The round spoke thing is not a new concept to me. So I didn't want to wreck my W30 on round spokes, so I just ordered a set of recasts from Dakota Toys. I've ordered them in the past, several times actually in the past, and they've always come through, and they're a great outfit to deal with. This is going to look really sharp when you get some paint on them. So they are, like I said, just Ertl recasts, so they do have a little bit of a flat spoke in the center, but it's just for some strength. But you know, guys, on me, it's going to sit on the shelf and it's going to look at it. But I did actually find another set of round spoke wheels that I think would kind of look pretty good too, but I'd already ordered these ones, but they actually look pretty sharp. So we'll get them painted up nice and pretty red. I just love the round spoke rubber tire look on these old tractors. It's just, for me, that's where it's at. Now, with this, I'm probably not going to modify it too much. I'm probably going to paint the manifold black and the exhaust pipe black, and probably paint the magneto aluminum just to kind of offset it here a little bit. Now, really, all I had to do to get this all to work, I had to grind the axle stubs down just a little bit with, of course, the Dremel tool. And then in the rear, I wasn't real happy with the track width, so I took and put these rims on my bench grinder, and then I shaved them down, so that way the tire's a little bit over halfway in the fender, so it actually doesn't look like it's got a big wide stance on it. So, but actually from the front, everything's just kind of mocked up right now, so I'm trying not to move it around too much. So if you're looking from the front right now, oh yeah, you guys know me, I'm a stickler for keeping my cranks up. So if you look from the front now, we've actually got a pretty nice track. Like I said, everything's just kind of mocked up right now. I'm going to do a little bit of touch up on this one to get this wheel straightened out. But yeah, no big deal. We're going to just shave that axle down a little bit, but that's pretty simple. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed that nice, quick little custom. And I do got another one kind of planned out. I'm going to do a 99 because I have a scale models 90 like this. So it's basically the same toy, but it's got the side screens in it. I've already got 99 decals somewhere, but if I can find the wheels, I'm going to do a model of my big 99. It does have 750 16 front tires on it, same as the big one's got. So, yeah, this is going to turn out really, really nice. But anyway, just a quick little video for you guys tonight. I hope you guys like what you see as always. And please comment, rate, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think of this one.